Hello guys, today I'm cooking with mom and today I'll tell you recipe of bitter melon. First I take out all the seeds and you can see that I took them out. Now I'm gonna cut it. Now you can see I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it very nice and properly and carefully. Be very careful because knives are very sharp. I put the bitter melon in the pan. I'm just putting this much oil, which is 2 tablespoons. How I'm adding the oil. I'll fry it till 15 to 20 minutes till it gets golden brown. Now I'll lid it like this and I'll make some ginger, garlic and onion in separate pan. I was a bit thirsty so I drank some water and I love this cup. My Tayami gave it to me. Thank you Tayami. Thank you Tayami. May Allah bless you many more. Ameen. Now I'm adding this much garlic, this much ginger and 2 onions. After putting these, I'll put these 2 tomatoes. I added oil. Now I have to add some onion. Now I'll mix it. I added ginger garlic. Now I'll mix it. At this stage I have to add spices. Now I'm adding these 2 tomatoes. And now I'm mixing it. You can see the beautiful color of my bitter melon. When the masala is finished, I'll add it. The masala is ready, so I can add my bitter melon. Now I'll cook it till more 10 minutes. Food is ready, mashallah. Please try it. Inshallah, tomorrow I'll come up with new video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.